Hi students. Now let's see next lecture, lecture number 24 from topic second. Today we are going to start second topic. Name is electronic spectra of transition metal complexes. Subtopic introduction types of electronic transition in complexes. Now let's see introduction of spectra. Electronic spectra of transition metal ions and complexes are observed in UV visible region. Absorption spectra gives the idea about wavelength of light absorbed, that is a particular amount of energy required to promote or to excite electron from lower energy level, that is a ground state, to higher energy level, that is excited state. So whatever amount of energy get absorbed for the excitation from lower energy level to higher energy level, the spectra is observed and that is called as a absorption spectra. In other words, absorption spectra gives idea about how much energy required for electron to excite from ground state to higher state. That means how much amount of energy related to that particular wavelength. While emission spectra gives the idea about energy emitted when electron get back from excited level to ground level, that is lower energy level. Most of spectra of metal complexes are observed in the region of 15,000 to 10,000 per centimeter or 200 to 1,000 nanometer within this range. The spectra of complex provided most useful information about the energy levels present within them. Now let's see the types of electronic transitions which occur in complexes. Which type of electronic transition takes place? In case of metal complexes, spectra band can appear due to the following transition which are occur in a metal complexes which have different transition. First type is DD transition. Now name indicate that this is the transition which takes place between 1d orbital to 2nd orbital. These involve the transition of electron from lower energy d orbital to higher energy d orbital of the metal ion. So transition from one d orbital to other d orbital. Most of DD transition band appear in UV and visible region of the electromagnetic spectrum. There can be a large amount of theoretically possible transitions and hence we expect a large number of bands. But practically, however, all are not observed because these transitions are governed by certain rule that is called as a selection rules. This selection rule permit only some transition that is called as a allowed transition, while some other transition are not permitted that is called as a forbidden transition. जे ट्रान्झिशन अलाउड असतील होऊ शकतात त्यांना म्हणायचं अलाउड ट्रान्झिशन, जे होऊ शकत नाही त्यांना म्हणायचं फॉरबिडन ट्रान्झिशन. The spectral band due to DD transition are stronger one in tetrahedral complexes. Now second type of transition is a charge transfer spectra. Name indicate that this is the spectra obtained because of a charge transfer. We mostly use charge word with that of electron and positive center. So charge transfer, we can in other words say that electron transfer. The spectral bands obtained due to transfer of electron from metal orbital to ligand orbital or vice versa. That means from ligand orbital to metal orbital are called as a charge transfer band. Now in the previous one there is a electron transfer from one d orbital to other d orbital, where in case of this one there is electron transfer from one metal orbital to ligand orbital. Example in the complex of this one, pentamino, here X is a halogen, maybe chlorine, bromine, fluorine, where X is halogen, there is a transfer of electron from ligand to metal. It is generated by L2M charge transfer band. Whenever there is a transfer band because of ligand to metal, that means electron get transferred from ligand orbital to metal orbital. On the other hand, in the complex of Fe2 plus in phenanthrolene, where these are acting as a ligand, there is a transfer of electron from metal orbital to ligand orbital, that is M2L LCT, that is charge transfer band. In general, The charge transfer bands are more intense and occur at a higher frequency. That means such type of band occur in higher frequency and they are having more intensity. Now third type is intra-ligand transitions. Name indicate that these are the transition takes place within the ligand orbital. When there is an excitation of an electron from one ligand orbital to other ligand orbital within the same ligand, please keep in mind this takes place within the same ligand, hence the name is given as a intraligand. The band appears when there is a transition of electron from one ligand orbital to other ligand orbital. These are called as a intraligand transition band. These band occur in UV region or sometimes they overlap the DD transition band also. So DD transition bands and intraligand transition bands may get overlap as it is occur in a UV region. DD transition also may occur in UV and as well as uh, DD transition occur in UV as well as in the visible region. These bands appear in case of ligands such as NO2 minus, NO3 minus, that is nitride and nitrate, etc. So thank you guys for watching this video. I will repeat again in few minutes. There are three types of transition occur. First one is a DD transition. Second one is a charge transfer transition. Third one is a intraligand transition. So these three types of transition is occur in case of a transition metal complexes. DD transition म्हणजे एका d ऑर्बिटल मधून दुसऱ्या d ऑर्बिटल इलेक्ट्रॉन जातो त्याला म्हणायचं DD ट्रान्झिशन. चार्ज ट्रान्सफर ट्रान्झिशन मध्ये इलेक्ट्रॉन ट्रान्सफर होतो एका लिगॅन्ड ऑर्बिटल मधून दुसऱ्यामध्ये आणि इंट्रालिगॅन्ड ट्रान्झिशन मध्ये चार्ज ट्रान्सफर मध्ये मेटल ऑर्बिटल मधून लिगॅन्ड ऑर्बिटल मध्ये किंवा लिगॅन्ड ऑर्बिटल मधून मेटल ऑर्बिटल मध्ये. तर इंट्रालिगॅन्ड ट्रान्झिशन मध्ये मात्र लिगॅन्डच्याच वेगवेगळ्या ऑर्बिटल मध्ये ट्रान्सफर होणं त्याला म्हणजेच विदिन लिगॅन्ड, hence it is called as a intraligand transition. So these are the three transition which occur in metal transition complexes. So thank you guys. For more information visit the videos which are available on the internet. So thank you so much once again.